Morning, sir, madam. I am Juan S. Elma, 28 years old. I am single. We are three in a family. I am the youngest. I graduate as a high school graduate at Shelton Community High School. I am a Catholic. I have working experience here in the Philippines to a production operator in company and also in veterinary clinic and also in now I also babysitter now at 2 baby 2 child. My job is cleaning the house, cook simple food. I am willing to learn cook Chinese food, and I want to go to market, wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor. I prepare their assignment. My hobbies is cooking food. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. Madam, sir, if you choose me as one of your helpers, I want to do all my duties and responsibilities. I want to know how to communicate you, and I want to know how to talk Cantonese, and I'm honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I hope to see you soon, sir. Thank you.